Hey everyone. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you the simplest way to connect Jira with GitHub in 2026. If you want your commits, branches, and pull requests to sync automatically with your Jira issues, yeah, this is the setup you need. So let's get into it. First, head into your Jira project and open the integrations area. You can get there from the left sidebar by clicking Apps or searching for GitHub in the marketplace, whichever's easier. Next, install the official GitHub for Jira app. This is the one supported by Atlassian, so, it's the safest choice. Just hit the install button and let it load for a moment. Once it installs, Jira will ask you to connect your GitHub account. Click Connect GitHub Organization and sign in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, it might skip right to the permissions page. Now go ahead and approve the permissions. This lets Jira read your repos and link commits to your issues. It's all read only, except for the linking part. So, yeah, pretty safe. After authorizing, select the repositories you want Jira to track. You can sync everything, or just individual repos for cleaner project management. Back in Jira, you'll see a confirmation once the integration is active. Open any issue and scroll down. You should notice a new development panel showing branches, commits, and pull requests as they come in. To test it, create a tiny commit in GitHub and include your Jira issue key in the message, something like fix login bug, ABC123. After a few seconds, Jira should pick it up automatically. And that's pretty much it. You're all set with a clean, synced workflow between Jira and GitHub. Hope this helped. And yeah, feel free to tweak your repo settings anytime to keep things organized.